Today, let me show you how to using our software to do the aluminium calculation for the aluminium cutting disc and the glass. And the software also able to doing the costing calculation. But in this section, I just show you on how to create the project, assign the series to be used and the drawing, and the last is the result of the aluminium cutting disc and all the breakdown. To complete of the calculation, the breakdown and the aluminium cutting disc, the mainly we need to have the 3 steps using this system only. First, we need to create the new project, of course. Let's say the project, the customer is Vinpro. The project name I put is a YouTube. Name also is a YouTube. This project may using the MB10 color. I save it. So that we go for second step is we need to assign this project is using what or which series of the casement sliding or even folding door or any other type. Now let's say we create for the CW equal 1. The finishing color is MB. Then here I also select the sliding door equal 1.2 also MB. Save it. Yes. Once I save it, we still need to add some additional customization report, or maybe it's an optional item. Sorry. Okay, the optional item will be the glass, and possible also is the casement handle. But here I showing you the glass only, because the handle is just item part only. So if let's say the CW glass, I will using what kind of the glass? Top hand glass will be using same. At this moment I create all is the same first, because later on I also able to show you that how to change individual glass without changing any drawings. So that the last glass I want to create is the sliding door. As the sliding door here. Okay, so sliding door I may use in the 8mm glass CG8. Save it. Second step is the finish. Now third step is to create the drawing. To create the drawing, we open the project first, and now I create for the drawing. Example CW1. CW1 is the item name. The quantity total maybe is a 50 set. The mirroring quantity possible also have the 35 set, or maybe no need. Okay, what type of this CW1 is 2 column 3 row. Let us create for this kind of the type. So once I save it, system will display another field for me to enter the dimension for every column and a row. Once I save the dimension, system will come out the dot for me to do the drawing. So now let me draw the drawing first. So that the drawing we will start from the outer. Some of company have the head or sail, and the casement side is a cross side. Them also is no issue. Just the name reference only. Now we can go for the margin and continue is a tension. So that once outer is complete, next we go for the inner. Inner in the system is under preset, because we are able to create the one inner with their individual items. Example, CW inner top hand, in the preset I already create 4 inner bar, 1 glass, 1 handle and 2 friction stage. That's why from here we just need to insert for one object only. So they continue is a casement or some company called side hand. And the bottom is a fixed glass. Save it, done. CW1. But remember that not every item we need to create one by one, like do the drawing. Because we also able to retrieve or copy from others project into this. Example, this one KP0288. I refresh it. Here got a lot of the item. So the example, now I want to copy it for SD1 into this project. And this project also using the same SD1. So I just leave it as a SD1. The quantity we able to enter here, example 15 set. So that I also want to copy SD3, but under this project, the name will be SD2. So that I just enter the SD2 here. The quantity will be 15 example. SD5 I also want to copy here and I put is a SD3. SD3. This SD5 under other project is the sliding with the treetop hand. So that I also able to copy here. Example is a 6 quantity. So W1 I also want to copy, but here new project I put CW2, CW2. Quantity possible will be 56 example. Mirroring quantity I said 34. W10 I also copy. I put as a CW3 for this project. Quantity will be example is 44 and 22 example. Once I finish of selecting those other project item which I need to copy into this project, click copy to project, yes. So that you see, alright, copy down. Attachment also no problem. So that now we need come back here to double confirm the dimension. If the dimension is not same or maybe need to change, we just change it. See? Okay, sliding one. Example, the height will be 2100. I can change it. SD2, no problem. SD3, example, this one, okay. Example, top hand is 400 and this one is 2100. Also no problem. See? So the third step for the drawing already complete. Now is we need to get the result already. So the result will be under this production material usage. We open this project. We are also able to see the actual design when you select the item. You see? So now let us click the calculate. If in the list it's showing you that the material number is empty, means that we still not yet assign this silicone is using what kind or what type of the silicone. You see, the handle previously I saw not yet assigned, that's why the handle also is a blank. But don't worry, on the right hand side here they will display all the items which you still not yet assigned or you may forgot to assign. Okay, so once the calculation is done, in the system here we got three kinds of the report. First report is a breakdown. Let us to print out the breakdown report to see how. You see, the breakdown report is all the usage item under CW1, they will display out for you, and even the aluminium actual usage size they will calculate for you, also no problem. Glass also no problem. Then we go for the next page. It's a CW2. Okay, so you see the page CW2 also, but it's a mirror. Can you see the difference over here? CW2, the side hand, the handle is on the left hand side. But when we have the enter the mirroring quantity, system automatically convert to the right hand open handle. So that we no need to create another item or another frame for the CW2 mirroring. Even though you see for this one also no problem. At the right hand side got one big glass. so that the mirroring become on the left hand side. Okay, this one is a breakdown report. After this breakdown report, here also got another one, is the aluminium cutting list report. Aluminium cutting list report, this length actually is the actual needed length, which they also including the edge border jigging mark and the cut saw width. User also able to customize to create any sizes of the border width and the cut saw width, no problem. Okay, here with the picture is a list. If you think that any profile you have the ordering size is more than one, something like here is a 6.1 meter. Example, you also got using another size possible 5.8 or maybe it's 4.5 meter for certain cut size. System also able to do that. But that one I will showing you on another section. It's not under this section. Okay, this one is a cutting list. Third report is the production usage report, which they will display out all the necessary part item for that project quantity. So they will total out for you and they will break down into individual group. See? Okay. So this the report. I close it first. For the cutting list, I also close it. Now let me show you another feature in this system. Let's say example, for this CW1, here got the 2 top hand, 2 side hand, 2 feet glass. Example, like if my feet glass I want to change for 5mm glass, how? Okay, in the system we go to step number 3 is the project drawing. We open this project, open this CW1. So that where is my feet glass? Okay, here is the feet glass, here also is the feet glass. I am able to customize it to change this one. Example is LG5 5mm glass. LG5, I save it. Okay, after I save it, I close it first. Go for the production material usage here. I recreate the calculate again. Okay, let me show you. This one actually is a previous report that showing the CG6 or is using 6mm glass. Now once I finish the calculate, I print the breakdown report. Can you see what's the difference? The feet glass become LG5 5mm light green glass. So that my system is able to make a lot of the customization which not follow the standard. So that this session is ending here. If you have any inquiry, you can send the email to me, or you may able to find this company name from Facebook or YouTube. Thank you very much.